Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a contact. There are various options to create or add contacts to the platform. They can be imported from other sources. They can be automatically created from interactions with the landing page, forms and polls you create and use in campaigns, and you can create them manually from the contact list view itself. In this tutorial, we will create a contact directly from the contacts list view. To do this, we need to be on the Contacts List view page. Begin by clicking on the Contacts menu item in the banner. This will open the List view page. Then look for the plus sign button in the upper left part of the screen below the banner. Remember that you can place the mouse over any object to see what it does. Click on the Add Import Contacts button and select Add Contact. The Create view will open, allowing you to fill in all the desired fields. Required fields are marked by a red asterisk. Fields without a red asterisk are optional. It's beneficial to include all relevant details. Also remember that the contact is not saved until the Save button is selected. If you navigate away from the page during the creation of the contact, all information will be lost. Creating a contact is straightforward and intuitive. So let's add the essential details. The contact we will add is from a business card. By adding the person, you can track their interactions with your campaigns and your communications with them. First, place the cursor in the contact's title field. When you click in a field, you will see the selections that are possible, but if you do not see the one you want to use, simply start typing it in the field. You will see all the matches. If there is no match, you will see the word you typed with the option to create it. If you create it, this will be the choice you select, and it is now a choice for all to see and use once you have saved the contact. If a selection was entered in error, add or select the correct one. The list values are managed in the settings where you can remove incorrect values. All fields that have the red chevron to the right of the text box work this way and are either single select boxes, like title, company, position, or multi-select boxes like tags. Now, simply work your way down the form, typing in the information that you know. Remember that every field is searchable, sortable, and you can use the information when setting up filters for running email campaigns. To make it easier to remember, it is suggested to use the tags fields for defining groups and subgroup relationships. Each contact record and all other records have two types of tags. One is for the entity itself, in this case the contact tag. Tasks have a task tag and appointments have an appointment tag, etc. For the contact tag, any tag you add can be chosen from within any contact and added to any contact. This allows you to group contacts by any attributes you like, even multiple attributes. The other tag is the global tag. It is typically used internally to track relationships and help with organization. You can select the preferred contact method. If the person has given permission to receive campaign emails, select the Email Opt-in, Opt-out checkbox. Otherwise, they will be excluded from receiving campaign emails. The user will always have the opportunity to opt out of campaign emails when they receive them. You can add the contact's phone number if available. If the contact doesn't want to be called, select Yes from the Do Not Call section. Scrolling back to the top, the status field has four options: Contact, LED, Active, and Not Active. Select the corresponding option for your contact. I will leave the default one as Contact. This is a status that can be changed manually and is automatically changed based on the user's activity. See Funnels configuration video. The Assign to field defaults to the user creating the new record but can be changed. If you have any related files, you can add them here as well. The platform has robust and secure file sharing. You can add the related file, and when sending an email from the platform can give the contact the ability to download from a link, and downloads are tracked. This is often used for contract or promotional information. A very powerful feature of the platform is monitoring. Click on the See Details button. You can add any user or users as a monitor to be notified about specific updates. By clicking on the Configure button and selecting the Custom Updates radio button, you can see all the monitoring choices. There is an ability to monitor any field or all fields for changes. You might want to know when someone downloads the contract document from the email you sent them. Or you might want several teammates to monitor the comments section to have a tracked collaborative conversation about the contact. The comments feature is also very useful when creating a campaign so that all team members can communicate quickly and effectively with one another. The monitor function is available for all entities. Choose your desired options and click Save to save your choices. Note that you can also set up monitoring for all or a subset of contacts by using the multi-edit function from the list view page. If you have any notes, you can add them here, as shown in Notes 1 and Notes 2. Create or select a gender and then select the birthday as well to utilize the date-related automated emails functionality. Add the street address and expand the section. Once expanded, you have more fields to add, like city, state, and postal code. While not required, adding this information can be helpful. Once all information is added, you can go to the Marketing tab. Here, the information is related to the marketing aspect of the contact, like lead source. The lead score is automatically generated based on the contact's interactions with your campaigns, online shop, and polls. It is configured in Settings. When manually adding a contact, you select the lead source, sales cycle, and campaign category. When contacts are created from campaigns, landing pages linked to from ads or your website, the values are automatically populated based on how you set up the campaign funnel. You can manually override any of these values. But keep in mind, based on the rules you have in place in the funnel's configuration, they may be automatically updated based on the user interacting with the campaigns, emails, landing pages, polls, surveys, etc. Automation save you time. As you can see, there are 10 date fields. The labels are configured from the settings in the Configure Editable Dates section. These date fields can be added manually or they can be populated by the user's activity automatically. There is special campaign email functionality for these dates and the birthday to enable you to automatically send relevant emails based on anniversaries. Now, if all information is added, you can create your contact entity by clicking on the Save button. As you can see, it is now displayed on the list view. As you likely noticed, the platform uses much more than a contacts database, but has powerful campaign funnel, sales and marketing, polling, and emailing technology, and much more. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this one, please check out our related videos in the Help menu. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.